Throughout the year, we're going to be doing a lot of labs that require the use of measuring length, measuring temperature, measuring volume. So we're going to start here by the basics. It might have been a while since you've used rulers, and can't hurt to brush up on some of the skills that you might already have. On this sheet that we're looking at right now, there is a ruler on top. The ruler is in centimeters, but very often this year you're going to be getting a ruler that contains not only centimeters but inches on it, something similar to this. You can see here that we've got centimeters on this side. Each of the centimeters are broken up into 10 individual parts. The next smallest unit from centimeters is going to be millimeters. So if you look here, we can see we've got A, which isn't at a full centimeter. It is 5 increments in, but we wouldn't call it a half of a centimeter, because in the metric system you will not use fractions, you will use decimals. It would be 0.5 centimeters. On the English side, using inches here, notice they're not broken up into 10 equal parts. So this is where you would use a fraction. So if it was halfway between the 4 and the 5, you would use 4 1/2. If it was a quarter of the way, you would use 4 1/4. And it looks like we're broken up in here not into quarters, not into eighths, but into sixteenths. So if it went from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these tick marks in, it would be 4 5/16. A little bit more confusing. Most people prefer decimals over fractions.